In this PowerPoint interface, I have this sphere drawn, which is a 3D dimensional image or shape, and this particular effect was created in my previous video, which I'm going to link that video in the description below. Please check it out after watching this video and learn how to create a sphere in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, I had a question from a colleague that said that can we have a text around this sphere, which the text is going to be spherical, that is going to match the rotation of this sphere. And I told him that it is possible in PowerPoint because of the capability and also functionality of this particular software. So let's jump right in and let me show you how you can add a text around this particular image. Now, presently I have these two spheres available, and I'm going to take out all the formatting, all the modifications or effects given to this sphere, so that we can get it back to our perfect circle that we drawn in our previous video. So I'll move back to shape format and then click on this icon in the size group, and then move back to this effect option. I'm going to choose 3D rotation, and then make sure that this is set to no rotation, and then move back to 3D format. We are going to change the top bevel to normal, and then also the bottom bevel to normal as well, and then we move back to lightening, change this to this one, and then material to also this one as well. Now you can see that I have removed all those formatting that was given to this circle to have this particular sphere. So perfectly, how can we have the text around this sphere? If traditionally you double click on this sphere and you type some text, so this is the text I'm going to have for this sphere, and when I click outside this shape, you can see that we have the text on this particular sphere. Now let's try to rotate and see how the text is going to look, or the look and feel of this particular text. So I'll select this, move back to the effect options under shape options, and then I'm going to move straight forward to the 3D rotation. Now let's use this X rotation, Y rotation, and also the Z rotation to have the effect of this particular text. So you can see that this text look very linear on this particular sphere. So as you can see, this text looks very linear, and that is not what we want to have. We want this particular text should be spherical or in a conical way, which is going to match the rotation of this particular sphere. So when it turns, you can see that this text is a bit linear, as you can see, like as if that we have this text on top of this sphere, and that is not what we want. So let me show you the simple way to have this done in a perfect way. Let's get back to this text and double click, and I'm going to delete this particular text. Now this is where the trick comes in. I'm going to select this circle and type the text I want to have for this circle, double click. I can select and increase the size of this text perfectly. Now I'm going to select this shape that consists of this particular text, hold Ctrl+C on the keyboard. You can also right click and choose copy from this option. Now let's select this sphere, get back to the shape options, and the first option is fill and line, and then we are going to choose fill, and we have picture or text fill. You click to select, and now I'm going to select clipboard. Now see how spherical or conical this text looks like. Let's try to rotate this. You go back to 3D rotation. You see how this text look like beautiful on this particular sphere. So this text do not look linear once again as previous, but this time around this text is matching the spherical effects of this particular sphere perfectly. So this is how to add text to your sphere in Microsoft PowerPoint, and I believe that this is going to be of helpful. And also presently You can create your own sphere and add your own customization of your text. You can save it as a picture and use it for a different purpose in your next presentation. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and also consider to subscribe and be part of this great community. And I shall meet you in the next tutorials.